Almost everything you use throughout your daily life was at one time touched by something machined out of tungsten carbide. Basic Carbide, operating out of Lober, Pennsylvania, manufactures tungsten carbide preforms. Raw materials are received as powdered materials consisting of tungsten carbide and a binder material, typically cobalt or nickel. These components are blended to specific ratios by weight, depending on the grade desired. The powders are then taken into an explosion-proof environment where they are processed in an attritor mill with a slurry of heptane. Heptane fumes are recondensed and recollected to be used again. After approximately 6 hours of milling, the slurry is pumped through a fine filter system and into vacuum dryers. Heated water is used to speed up the drying process. Both the mills and the dryers are water jacketed for safety. At this point, a sample is removed for quality testing and shrinkage factoring. It is dry screened to ensure that no foreign material has made its way into the product. Upon approval, the powder is compacted into variously sized and shaped watertight molds. It is further compacted in an isostatic press operating at 20,000 psi. The material is now the consistency of chalk. Parts are machined to desired sizes using lathes, grinders, bandsaws, and milling machines. All machining at this stage must be done with diamond-tipped or diamond grit-plated tools due to the abrasive nature of the material. All material removed is captured, contained, and recycled. Dust collectors are used throughout the process to catch any airborne material. Once the part has been machined to proper size and dimensions, it is loaded into a vacuum sintering furnace, or for more demanding applications, a hot isostatic press furnace. The HIP furnace is pressurized with argon during the sintering process. The parts are slowly heated to approximately 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit through controlled cycles monitored by computerized controls. A cycle can last anywhere from half a day to several days. After cooling, parts are hard, metallic, and capable of being machined and polished to a desired finish. The parts are now smaller than they were before entering the furnace. An allowance is made for this shrinkage and is closely monitored and adjusted to meet customer requirements. Additionally, preforms are designed with stock allowances as required by the customer to allow for finish grading. In this state, carbide is extremely hard and costly to machine, so the stock allowance is kept to a minimum. All parts are finish inspected for size, material quality, and integrity before being packaged and shipped.